Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about forensic object detections and the 3D crimes in visualization. So in this project we are going to detect the objects. So for an example, gun detection, weapon detection. Uh, for an example, we are going to detect the objects like gun, knife, hammer, footprint. So what are the crime related objects? So these four types of object we are going to predict by using YOLO V5 model. And then the main concept, advanced concept, we are going to use the 3D rendering environmental. So that will be used by using open 3D libraries. So in this project, what we are going to do means like we are working with the integrations of 2D detections, which will be resulted in the 3D formations. So that 3D formations, how it will be means like 3D plane arranged will be. So in this, we are going to take one house. So that we are converting into GLP objects, and then that is like 3D. So we can rotate it as 360-degree. This is the block diagram. So user first they will come for our web applications. Then they need to log in, register user authentication is there. So to store their details, we are using as the SQLite database. So to detect the object, we are using YOLO V5 model. And here the user will upload the images and it detect what types of images it is. And by using these GLB models, and we are seeing in that object as a 3D visualizations. So then that will be inside one houses. Then we can rotate it as the 360-degree. And then this is the app.py, which is the main code of our project. So here you can see that first we need import the required libraries. So here we are using the Flask, which is the framework of the Python. Then we are setting the app for the secret key. Here you can see that like SQLite 3 we are using. So in this SQLite 3 we are creating as the user tables. So whenever the users enter their details while registering, so the details will be stored in this table. And routing we are using, so which helps to integrate that both front end and the back end, and we are creating the websites here. So let me run and show you how it is working. So here you got the URL. So if I just click this, that will come for the websites. So here you can see that home page, about pages. In about pages, like what are the things we have implemented. So everything will be here. So you can see that weapon and biological evidence, and these are the common types of evidence. And what is the crime scene detections and how our detection system is getting working here. You can see that by image analysis is happening by using this YOLO based model. Then this 3D reconstructions. So we can use for the multiple images, and which helps to allow the investigator to explore the screen from the different angles and perspectives. And what are the technology we have used to means YOLO, Open 3D Deep Learning, which is CNN, and the WebFrame as the Flask database for the SQLite 3. Almost we got the 85 accuracy of the projects. So like in machine learning or AI, the best accuracy comes under 80 to 90%. So we have achieved our accuracy part. And what are the benefits of the AI powered detections and the important disclaimer? So you can check with these about pages. And this is for the register and login. So already if you are login, directly you can click this and it come for here, like it asking for upload the images. So if I'm clicking here, the like choose file, it goes for the folder to select the images. So I'm choosing from here in this data set. So inside the images, like we have annotated the images for the training purpose. Just I'm selecting one images here. So after selecting the images, you can see here, if I click this rank detection, it start analysis by using the YOLO V5 model, and it tells what types of objects, and we are going to see this as the 3D visualization. So here you can see this is the 3D model plus detection objects. So if I zoom out, so here you can see that this is the one house we got, like this is in 3D house. So in this house, just you can view for the 360-degree. So here you can see that we got our prediction objects. So here it is displaying as the footprint. So this is the footprint. So by using the YOLO Wi-Fi model, it's making the boundary and it detecting what types of image it is. So for an example, if you are uploading any hammer images, so it will make the prediction. So it makes the boundary boxes around that objects, and it tells what types of object it is by using the YOLO Wi-Fi model. So now we got that like this is the prediction house, and 360-degree you can view this. So this is the full house. Just you can view the 360 degree for these images. Going to predict by using YOLO V5 model and will be visualization in the 3D model plus the detected images. So which helps to investigate. And thank you all. We'll meet with the one more good projects in the next section. Thank you.